Hello guys, welcome back to Job and Tech Updates YouTube channel. So before getting into today's video, if you have visited our channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP S4HANA tutorials. And also I'll be posting all the latest job updates for both freshers and experienced on daily basis. So I would recommend you to subscribe our channel so that you'll get an immediate notification and thereby it will be easy for you to apply right away before it expires. So now let's get into today's video. So today we have come up with one of the best job opportunity from Wipro for all engineering graduates, that is for 2020, 21 and 2022 passed outs. So coming to qualification, all BE or BTech and ME or MTech students are eligible to apply for this, but you should be of 2020, 2021 and 2022 passed outs. Also, your 10th or 12th, it should be a full-time course that is recognized by either central or state government of India. So it should not be any part-time education or distance learning education. So make sure you meet up with this eligibility before you apply for this. Also, all branches except fashion technology, textile engineering, agriculture and food technology are eligible to apply for this. And one backlog is allowed till your offer letter, but you should have either 60% or 6 CGPA throughout your academics. And coming to age limit, it should be of age either 25 or even below if you want to apply for this. And the deadline given here is before Jan 31st 2022 you have to apply for this. And coming to evaluation process, once you register for this, you'll receive some assessment link via email and it will be followed by some group discussion and either a technical discussion. So once you clear the technical or group discussion, you'll receive offer letter in no time. So coming to package details, so they're going to provide a very good decent package which is 3.5 per annum. And also good thing here is that post 6 months from your joining date, you'll be given a 25,000 rupees bonus, which they're going to merge with your package after 12 months payout. And you'll have a regular yearly increments, also merged bonuses on 18th, 24th and 36 months from date of joining, which is really good. So designation is project engineer and you have to sign a service bond of 12 months once you join in this company. So additional criteria is like one backlog is allowed, which we have discussed previously, and even if you're having a gap of 3 years throughout your education, it is allowed. And make sure you have not participated in any selection process that was held by Wipro in the last 6 months. So if you have participated in any selection process by Wipro in the last 6 months, then you are not eligible. Also Bhutan and Nepal nationals also, they have to submit their citizenship certificate if they want to apply for this. Also one exception given here is that candidates are eligible for re-registration only after 90 days or 3 months from the prior online assessment given. So that's a very quick information about this job role by Wipro. So make sure you apply for this as soon as possible before it expires. And you can also refer to other coding and non-coding related jobs in our channel. So please do check that as well. And if you find this video informative, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP S4HANA tutorials.